guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial since so many of you guys have been requesting it. I did one recently, but honestly, like a few months back actually, but honestly that video wasn't that good because I was kind of out of frame the whole time. So I'm gonna try to do a better job this time. I'm still using the same products. As you can tell, my base is already done. That's because I'm filming another makeup tutorial. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with this angled brush right here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I believe it's number 8 or something. It's the mini one. I like the small one. And then I'm gonna be using the Dip Brow Pomade, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and in the color medium brown. So I like to brush out my brow first and make sure that my brow is nice and groomed. I usually shave and pluck my brows. I don't really get it done anywhere because my brows are pretty like low maintenance, besides the fact that the little hairs just like grow pretty fast. And after like maybe about 6 months, my actual hair actually grow like long, so I would just trim it with scissors. But that's besides the point, you know. You guys groom your eyebrow though however the heck you want. So what I do is I just take a little bit of the pomade here and I just kind of like, you know, rub my brush on it, and then I like to kind of do this to the brush to kind of get the excess off of the sides of the brush, so that way the line that I will be creating with this can be as precise as possible. Okay, so what I do is I like to underline the brow first. So with this I start like right here. Okay, let me like go this way more. I start not exactly in front but 3/4 of the way, and then just literally following the line, I mean the shape of my brow, and just underlining it. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just doing the same thing and creating the tail. You see, I draw the tail a little longer than my actual brow because I like that like long brow look. But yeah, that's what I do. And then with whatever's left on the brush, I start going in to the front of the brow with a very light hand and short stroke, like so. So as you can see, my brow is lined. I know it looks harsh right now, but we're not done. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the top. So I'm gonna take a little bit more product, just doing that to the brush, and then I'm gonna overline the brow now. Again, just creating, I mean just following the natural shape of my brow. But if you don't have hairs, then you know, just create your own desired shape. Sometimes I kind of tweak it, like kind of make it a little higher, and I like a rounded arch up here, so that's what I like to do. As you can see, I'm leaving that top part just blank because that's where we're gonna feather out the brow, because we don't want like a block looking brow. That's not in anymore. That's like 1999 brow. Okay, so now I'm taking more product and just filling in the rest of the brow, whatever's in between. So I like to start with the tail area first and the arch, because that's where you want the most product and the darkest to be. And then when I get towards the front, I kind of like feather out that line up. I'm not gonna take any more product from here on out, and just kind of blend it. I'm gonna take a little bit more actually, just to fill in that gap. Okay, I'm kind of creating more of a rounded shape here because it looks a little squarish. Okay, just like that. Now once I get to the front, I just start using the spoolie side and I brush up whatever product that was there, like on the line area, if that makes sense. And then I just brush up like so. Okay, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I just kind of create like a little line here and just little light strokes upwards. It's really hard to explain how I do things. I'm not a good like explainer or whatever, explanator. I'm really not good at that, but you guys see what I'm doing and I hope it's making sense. And for me, I don't really like cleaning up under the brows with concealer because I feel like I don't need it. But if I did make any mistakes, I would just use my foundation and clean up under there. But that's basically it. That's one brow done. Then now I'm gonna move on to this brow. Alright guys, so that's what they look like right now. And if I were to clean it up, then I would just take my foundation that I used and use like a flat concealer brush like so and just go underneath. I never go over top. I try to just perfect it already with, you know, by drawing it in as careful as possible. Because when I start going in over top, then it starts looking cakey and weird up there. So that's just what I do. And I use a small amount of foundation so that way it doesn't look weird. And that's basically it. And like you guys already know, they don't have to look like twins. They just gotta look like sisters, or at least like second cousin. And that's it guys. That's how I do my brows. I hope it was helpful. If you do need like to set your brows with like some brow gel, then you can go ahead and do that. But my brow hairs are really short and they're not really wild, so I don't really need to do that. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.